everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be seasoning this cutting board that my husband made me for Christmas. So one of the things about keeping a cutting board finish very nice and sealing away bacteria is that you need to season it. And the commercial products on the market are made out of mineral oil and petroleum products, and because I am a carnivore, I do not want that getting into my food, so I made my own seasoning. And here are the ingredients that I have used. I used 1/4 cup of beef tallow and 1.5 tablespoons of beeswax. You melt those two together, add in 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, and then pour them into a little jar like this one here, and then you can let that get to room temperature and it will become like a nice wax that you can use to season your board. So let's go ahead and get this board seasoned and we will get it protected. So I'm just using a rag that I don't mind having a little bit of wax and oil on. And then if you've seen the Karate Kid, you're just going to wax on. And you're going to buff that in real good. And don't worry about it if there's a little bit of excess left over. You let it soak in and take a clean cloth and just wipe off the excess later, but you do let this soak in for a little while. Make sure you get the edges. Let's go one side. Go ahead and flip into the other. Right, and this board is ready to set and let that soak up, and then if there's any excess we will wipe it off. So thanks everybody for watching. Let me know if you try my seasoning in the video or down in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks everybody, see you guys later. Bye.